The easiest way to get paid is to offer your clients the ability to pay with a credit card. Everyone uses credit cards, right? So you can have it with you during the inspection. You could have an online scheduler that accepts the credit card information and holds it, and then automatically charges it after the inspection. You can even take down a deposit when scheduling an inspection. Your office manager can, on the phone, take down credit card information for absentee clients especially. There's a lot of things to do with credit cards. And accepting credit cards is really critical. We have a merchant comparison tool where you can see what credit card processor makes the most sense for your business based upon your average inspection fee and the number of credit card transactions per month. If you click the link there. So as an InterNACHI member, you get very good rates, no statement fees, unlimited processing, and a free credit card machine thingy. So if you go to the comparison tool, let's say your inspections are $350 per, right? And you're doing 6 per month. What would be the estimated fee for using credit cards? It would be about 43 bucks. Let's say it's $350 and you're doing 30 inspections a month. That would be $10,500, $350, 30 of them per month. To process nearly $11,000 would be less than 190 bucks. So it's up to volume and inspection fee averages. So take a look at that merchant account comparison tool that InterNACHI provides and figure out what works best for you.